insurance plan, insured by United Healthcare Insurance Company. Like all standardized Medicare supplement plans, it could save you thousands in out-of-pocket costs. Call now to request your free decision guide.
I've been with my doctor for 12 years. Now I know I'll be able to stick with them.
You'll be able to visit any doctor or hospital that accepts Medicare patients. Plus, there are no networks, and you never need a referral. See why millions of people have already enrolled in the only Medicare supplement insurance plans endorsed by AARP. Don't wait. Call now.
He's on time. What a shame. Chin up, Katie. It's not as if I'm being committed. Not yet.
Anything else? I think that should do it. Sure is a shame about Daniel. I agree. Though his being a stranger and all. A stranger, Cora. He's lived in Cabot for over 6 years. Wasn't born here. Put in one of